Good morning, students. Let's see the next part. Arc of the circle. Now let's see what is the meaning of arc of the circle. Now this is circle. This circle divides into two parts because of this chord AB. See, this chord AB divides the circle into two parts. And due to this, now see, this is one of the arc and this is another arc. So arc AXB is, see, this is the smaller. So this is called minor arc, and AYB is a bigger. So it is called major arc. Now while writing, we have to write like this way. Arc AYB is which arc? Major arc. Major means bigger. And AXB, arc AXB is a minor arc. Minor means smaller. So due to this chord, circle divides into two arcs. One arc is smaller, one arc is bigger. So smaller is called minor arc, bigger is called major arc. And when you divide the circle into from the diameter, middle one, when you draw the diameter, circle divides into two equal parts. Then these two arcs are called semicircular arcs. Which arcs? Semicircular arcs. Semicircular arc. So now PYQ and PXQ are called semicircular arcs. Which arcs? Semicircular arcs. And when this major arc, minor arc are also called corresponding arcs, because these two arcs endpoints were same. Now see, endpoints A and B. So AYB, AXB. Endpoints are same. So these two are also called corresponding arcs. Next part is called central angle. What is central angle? Now central angle and the measure of the arc. When we can draw the central angle? This is the center. When you draw from the center an angle, this is called central angle. Which angle? Central angle. Now what is the angle's name? Angle AOB is a central angle. And in which arc it's subtended? Arc AXB. See, this angle belongs to the arc AXB. So it is subtended by the arc AXB. And whatever measure will be of central angle is equals to this subtended arc. Okay, this is the central angle and its measure. So from the textbook you write that dark lines which are given in the textbook. Now I know it is given. Now we'll see the practice set based on this central angle. Practice set 43. Very simple thing is there. Practice set 43. Choose the correct option. Two arcs are given. Arc AXB, arc AYB. And AXB is given 120 and we have to find out the major arc AYB. Major arc AYB. We have to find out the measure of our AYB. So how will find out the AYB when AXB is given? What is the measure of full circle is 360 degree. So from this 360 degree you subtract the measure of given arc. Arc AXB. It is the formula. Why 360 degree we taken? Because circle's measure is 360 degree. From that you subtract the given arc's measure. So 360 degree minus what is the measure of AXB? 120. Do the subtraction. 240 degree. So which option is there? First one only. First one option. Measure of angle AYB is 240 degree. What is the second question? Circle is given. And in the circle they have given the few arcs, and it is asked we have to write the major names of minor arcs, major arc and semicircular arc. So first we will write down names of minor arc. Minor means smaller arcs. Smaller means it should be less than 180 degree. Now let's see, there are so many minor arcs. Arc QX, arc XP, arc PR, arc RY, arc QY. So write down all the names of mine. Arc QX, arc XP, arc PR. Here I will write arc PR, then arc RY, arc YQ, and one more QP, arc QP. These are the names of minor arc. Minor means smaller arc. Again you can consider as a RPX also. It's okay now. This many enough. Now names of major arc. Major means bigger. Major arcs. Arc. First we will write down arc XYR. Bigger it should be. See, it is a semicircular arc. It should be bigger than semicircular arc. XYR. This much. Till here. Arc XYR. Next. Arc PYQ. From here. PYQ. Next. RQY. RQ from here and Y. RQY. Next is which one now? This over taken PQ. Then you have taken QY is taken. No. We have to take these two endpoints small. Now QPY. QPY. Each smaller arc backside is a major arc. Now QP we considered. It is QP this. Any middle one name you take it, that is what. Next is this PR we have taken, considered. PR is left, I think so. PR is one more left. So PQR. It is left. PQR. R, PQR. So one this taking 2 points. These 2 points behind. These 2 points behind any arc. These 2 points behind arc. These are the names of major arc. Next is one more is there. QX is there. Now semicircular arcs. Semicircular arcs. Semicircular arcs are divided this into two middle parts. Here two names are there. Any one name you can take it. Arc QPR and arc QYR. This one and this one. And major arc 1, 2, 3, 4. Again one more also we can write. This is one of the smaller one. And behind this any one. QX. So QYX, or you can write QRX. RQRX. Taking XP is over. X and P should be this in here and here it should be these two endpoints. So X, Y, P. You can write X, Y, P. One more. R, X, Y, P. So these are about the arc shown in the circle below and names of minor arc, major arc and semicircular arc. Third question is, here also same thing. Given major of minor arc is given and we have to find out the major of RPI. Like this first one it is. Third one we have to find out the major of major arc. We have to find out bigger arc's major. The major arc equals to, again same thing. If it is given one arc, another arc, how we will find out? From 360 you have to subtract. 360 minus major of minor arc, which is given to you. Minor arc. What is given major of minor arc? 110. So 360 degree minus 110. Do the subtraction. This is your answer. 0 minus 0, 6 minus 1, 5, 2, 250 degrees. So at last you write down the answer. The major of the major arc PYQ. Name is given. Children write down here arc PYQ. Name is given. And center also O is given. No need of writing. So the measure of major arc PYQ is equal to 360 degree minus measure of minor arc, which is given to you. So subtract from this, we get the answer of major arc. Minor arc is given. How to find out major arc? First one options also same it was. And one more thing is what? Minor arc, major arc and semicircular arcs. It's very simple. Minor means smaller, major means bigger one. It should be bigger than at least middle of this. This is the semicircular. Bigger than this semicircular arc is called major arc. And smaller of this, minor arc. Okay children. So here I think so we completed the lesson circle. Okay. So practice children all the sums. Every day at least one practice set you have to practice it. Okay children. Thank you.